Okay, so let's compare Mistral Le Chat and Chatgpt. So they are both conversational AI systems, but they are built with different priorities and strengths. And the truth that often gets glossed over is that they serve distinct audiences rather than being direct substitutes. So Mistral Le Chat is an open source community driven model from Mistral AI that emphasizes lightweight deployment, transparency, and adaptability. It is popular among developers who want control, customization, and the ability to run models locally or integrate them into specialized workflows. ChatGPT, of course, on the other hand, is a polished consumer facing product from OpenAI that prioritizes accessibility, broad knowledge coverage, and integration into apps like Microsoft Copilot, with a strong focus on user experience and safety layers. In practice, the chat appeals to technically savvy users who value open weights, experimentation, and independence from closed ecosystems. So, if you are a developer or a researcher, I think LeChat's openness is a huge advantage. If you're a general user who wants reliable answers and productivity features, ChatGPT is the stronger everyday companion. ChatGPT.